Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and today's video is one of my best videos on the last 6 months. This is the Arbitrum Airdrop distribution, and you cannot see me right now, but I am super happy about this. We have been talking about this in my Discord channel all day long, and congratulations to everyone that has been following my channel from a while. Arbitrum is the first airdrop that I cover in my channel when I started to cover airdrops, and we have been applying for this airdrop for more than 6 months. And you can see in my channel in the video section all the Arbitrum videos that I did, more than 9 videos covering everything that you may apply in order to get the best position for this airdrop. Many things of what we did were not count for this, but if you follow all my steps and you have been doing this with me, I am sure that you are going to get a very big portion of this airdrop like I receive it. So guys, go to my cryptocurrencystate.net website, check the subscriptions, follow my Discord channel and use my application. I applied to this airdrop with 12 wallets and I will not be able to do that if I didn't use my app. So my app helped me a lot to earn thousands of dollars on this Arbitrum airdrop. So check this website, check these 2 videos on how my app works. And again, I would not be able to do this without my application. And in today's video, we are going to cover how to claim these tokens, when we are going to claim them, what is the possible initial price action that we are going to see in the market, and more things about this Arbitrum airdrop distribution. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hey guys, well, like I mentioned in the intro, Arbitrum confirmed the airdrop of this token, ARB token. It's going to be in 6 days, the 23rd of March. So many things will happen until that date. We are going to cover that in this video. Guys, we're killing it in my Discord channel. We have been talking about this distribution all day long. Congratulations. I know that many in my Discord channel get a lot of tokens for this airdrop. And if you are following me already from a while, I recommend you to go there. The subscription for my Discord for 1 month, it's only $5, which is less than 1 transaction in Ethereum. So you also will be able to select my application if you want. And in this video, you are going to know why my application is a game changer for airdrop hunters. I applied for the Arbitrum airdrop with 12 wallets, and I have been doing everything there since the last 6 or 7 months. My application was launched in January, but from there, I have been registered all my progress there, and it was the best option and the best way to manage multiple wallets. So I am getting a lot of tokens on this Arbitrum airdrop, and a lot is because I have been using my application. So check these videos at cryptocurrencystate.net/subscriptions. The link is in the description, and check if my application will serve the purpose of these airdrops that you are doing. I really recommend you if you want to do another step on the airdrop hunter path. But guys, Arbitrum airdrop, we have been expecting this for months if you are following my channel, and all has been posted here in Twitter, but the main document is this one that I want to share with you. So today marks the launch of the Arbitrum Foundation and DAO governance for the Arbitrum One and Arbitrum Nova networks. Of course, the launch of the token is because now we are going to have Arbitrum as a DAO. So we are going to have a decentralized Arbitrum company. Now it will be a DAO, and for governance you need a token. That is why we are going to have this token in form of an airdrop. And Arbitrum has become the first ABM rollup technology to achieve the second stage of decentralization. The Arbitrum token will put governance power into the hands of the DAO. The 12.75% of the ARB token supply will be airdropped on March 23. So put that in your calendar, it's only 6 days ahead. Today marks the launch of Arbitrum Orbit, making it permissionless and easier than ever for developers to launch their own customized layer 3 chain using Arbitrum best-in-class technology stack. So congratulations to the Arbitrum team, and I will just mention a couple of things of this article. Many things are related of why governance and why this is important, I will put this link also in the post of the video, but I just want to mention the highlights of this. We have been talking a lot about what governance is and why it's important, but equally important is how that responsibility gets distributed to the community. The Arbitrum token is majority community owned, 56%. Of that community allocation, 12.75 will be distributed in the Arbitrum Airdrop next Thursday, March 23, based upon data taken on a snapshot on February 6. And between many other things that are going to determine this eligibility criteria, the DAO also will be serving tokens for future DAO grants. So this could be a hint that probably if the DAO wants in voting, we could have more airdrops in the future. Now, in order to be eligible to claim and to delegate this, users can visit this webpage, which is Arbitrum Foundation, and please be aware that it will be a lot of scams right now. So go to this official link. So be sure you go to https arbitrum.foundation and follow the prompts to check the airdrop eligibility details. Users will not be able to claim their tokens, however, for one more week, March 23. The reason for the interval between the announcement and claiming date is that we want users to have the option to delegate their tokens during the claiming process. But we also wanted there to be a fair and open process in which a diverse set of community members can nominate themselves to be delegates. In order to satisfy both of these constraints, we have added the 1 week delay, and we encourage those to apply to be a delegate. So that is basically the reason why we are waiting 1 week. And regarding the distribution, also the Arbitrum Foundation and DAO will be tasked with distribution the additional community tokens over time. So basically, again, a new confirmation that further airdrops is going to happen for Arbitrum. Additionally, while the user and DAO airdrops will be available in 1 week, all investor and team tokens are subject to 4-year lockups, with the first unlocks happening in 1 year and then monthly unlocks for the remaining 3 years. So we are really sure that the project itself, the community, the investors are not going to dump the token on the launch. So the dump that I will be expect is going to be driven by the community. And here I will put an official link of the documentation on all the eligibility and distribution specifications, how they are going to distribute the tokens, the initial supply of 10 billion, and how they align the points on how you apply to be eligible for this airdrop. So everything is in this document. It's a little weird because here are the numbers of the distribution, but the thing that I received doesn't correspond with that. So I am not sure about that. However, when you go to Arbitrum Foundation, you can connect your wallet here. I will use MetaMask for this. Once you connect, you click here on check eligibility. And for example, in this wallet, you can see that I have 1,875 ARB tokens that I am eligible. And here you have everything that you can check in order to know what things you did that counted for this airdrop. So check all these. So if you didn't receive anything, the reason could be that there's a minimum of 3 points total that are required to be eligible. If you score less than 3 points, all criteria will be crossed out. So after that, you can click here to be a delegate, or you can see here on our journey, there's a step-by-step of the project. But to be a delegate, you have here an application template that you can apply if you want to delegate yourself or be a delegator. Here you have everything, the instructions. All these links are going to be in the description of the video. A hint that you also want to cover is that maybe if you have been using Gnosis Safe with your multi-sign on Arbitrum, because I covered that in many of my videos, how to be a multi-sign airdrop, because this was a requirement that boosts your OP rewards for Optimism. So try to check the wallet address of your Safe Gnosis wallet multi-sign to see if you are eligible for the airdrop also in these multi-signs. Because besides your MetaMask or your other main wallets, if you have been multi-sign, you may be eligible here too. And finally, guys, I'm going to talk about the possible price action of Arbitrum and what I plan to do. I saw many things, many predictions, but here we have one prediction that also includes some screenshots of the similarities between Optimism and Matic. So the initial circulating is 12.75 of the total, implying the team and investors all lock up, and we already saw that is confirmed. So the similar FDV for Arbitrum, BIS, OP and Matic, slightly lower because expecting reducing incremental delta FDV versus delta TVL. So according to him, the Arbitrum token is going to be set to $1.74 on launch. If that happens, that is a lot of money for many of the eligible users that may have more than 1,000 tokens. So we can check here. You can see the circulating tokens amount, market cap, and all the calculations that the modest thief did makes the token at $1.74. My expectation is not that high. We also have here another user that doing the same calculations, he gets to $1.39. But you can see $1.50 could be the average of many of the predictions that I am seeing online. I will say my calculations were much lower, so yeah, we will wait and see. I was thinking $1 or less for the Arbitrum token on the launch. There are a couple of missing data, so I'm not sure if anyone can do exactly the calculation of how much the token it will worth. But you can see we have $1.50 in the middle. Of course, I will be super happy if that happens, but I was expecting $1 or less on the launch. And in terms of strategy, guys, I will share that with you. My strategy here, it will be my strategy here on the launch. It will be trying to dump some of my tokens. I receive a lot from my multi-wallet strategy, so I probably will sell half of that on the launch if I am quick enough to sell it quickly and not sell it at a very low price. If not, I will hold it. The other part I plan to hold it, and I will delegate maybe 50% of that, and another 50% I will hold it to the next bull run. But I probably am going to sell 50% and take that 50% in profits. So guys, that is my strategy. We cover how to get the Arbitrum Airdrop Tokens. After how to get the Arbitrum Airdrop Tokens, we need to wait the 23 for the distribution. We also check some valuations that people is making online about the initial price action, and I already covered my own strategy. So guys, that is all for this video. Arbitrum Airdrop distribution is happening. Congratulations to all of you that have been following me for months already. We apply heavily in this airdrop. It's my number one airdrop that I was managing and doing, so I am really happy about the results. And please put your comments below. Are you eligible of the airdrop? What are your expectations of the price action on the launch of this token? And before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.